Dear friends, as we all of us know that at present, that is during May and June 2020, we are facing a problem of locust incursion in scheduled desert area, which is the biggest invasion after 1993. At present, we are having locust call and corona call. Both call, they are running simultaneously, they are running together and giving very hard life to our India. Locust is a kind of biological natural disaster which can also pose threat to food, fodder, fuel, securities, besides the threat to the nature, environment, ecosystem, biodiversity, and society also. If not controlled timely and properly, specifically in the scheduled desert area. Though the locust is not a regular pest, but when its invasion takes place, it can cause huge loss to the Indian agriculture. Let's not ignore this pest and must give priority to strengthen the locust warning organization and also to ensure the availability of the control potential at all the time with the locust warning organization to face any eventuality or any emergency like we are facing nowadays. That is, let's also strengthen the locust intelligence and control system with modern technology. Let's find out the feasibility of using drone for systematic locust survey, intelligent and control operation. Let's locust control in scheduled desert area. Let's control the locust only in scheduled desert area itself to prevent its incursion or its to prevent invading it into the new cropped area, to prevent the heavy loss to the crop, to the Indian agriculture. Locust warning organization is responsible to control locust only in the scheduled desert area, whereas in cropped area, the duty of the control of locust lies with the respective state government. We are having different defense line system in the locust. First defense line, second defense line. If we are able to control along with the Indo-Pak border, that is the Jaisalmer-Balmer area, that is called as the first defense line, to prevent to go to the second defense line near the Pokhran area, and also to prevent the third defense line in the rest of the whole Rajasthan and Gujarat. So we had actually made different defense line system. We must control the locust. The priority must be to control locust in the first defense line system, that is, or along the border area or Indo-Pak border area. Locust warning organization. Let's not keep the post vacant. This is the first step for the locust control. It's a very important. We should not keep the post vacant, post of the locust warning organization vacant, to keep on the vigil over the development of the locust incursion or the development of the locust population through local breeding of the locust. Border locust surveys and border meetings both are required, must be undertaken to note the developing situation of the locust along the border or also across the border. Exchange the locust situation. Necessary permission from the respective ministries and respective departments must be obtained before onset of the locust season, that is from April itself to December or November. Though the locust is generally, it is expected after June, but this year the locust incursion takes place minimum 1 month in advance. Necessary permission from the respective departments or authorities must be obtained. Here is also need to emphasize here that the post of the locust, director of locust control and plant protection advisor to the government of India, lying vacant since long, which may be filled up at the earliest, keeping in the view of the locust emergency. Locust is not a regular pest. It is a kind of biological natural disasters. It must be included in the Natural Disaster Act so that the farmers, or so that we can take this pest on the priority basis and remedy, just like a natural disaster, just like a storm, hailstorm or floods and fires are taken place. This locust incursion must also be included in the natural disaster list. Thank you very much.